Do you want to know how you can sign up for Imagica AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Imagica AI. Go ahead and search for Imagica AI sign up and click on the first link which appears on your screen. Now, what you need to do is click on sign up with Google or sign up with email, which is over here. So let me teach you the easy one. Go ahead and click sign up with Google and choose your email address or your Google account and click continue to sign in to imagica.ai. In a while, you can notice that you have signed up for Imagica AI and you must write down your email address and everything. So after you've done it, you can see there is an option of clicking begin. Go ahead and click begin over here. Wait for a while and you must play this tutorial. After you play this tutorial, you can learn what is this about, and you can learn about this, and you can also click on this cross button and you can click finish. And this way you can sign up to your Imagica AI account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.